Today's video, I will show you a software to manage large number of Facebook accounts, nurture Facebook accounts like real accounts, real users, support online business as well as effective online sales. Okay, so let's get to the points. Look at the screen here. We have some main function of this software. So with the first function of this tool, account management, we have some action. For example, we can stick to choose from 1 to 9 accounts just only by one click. Or we can stick whatever you want. Okay, how many accounts you want to check the account, to update the account information like full name, avatar, password. Or change the category like this category. Or we can log into Facebook at once only by one click. Okay, or we can have some other function like copy. Okay, copy with some fields like this, or paste, or remove, or something like to check profile backup. Okay, as well get the token. Okay, for the second is the proxy manager. Proxy managers. The proxy word is one of the most important things you have to know when you work with the Facebook or when you work online. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this on my next video. Okay, as well as the email management. Okay, okay. So what about the content management? The content management is where you can create a lot of posts. For example, you can see here a post or comments, messaging, sitting, shares, reels, marketplace, story, and online stream based on what you need to post. Okay, and this we can see the form, the post title as well. This is the main content. The main content. Yeah, we leave it here. Okay, or we can upload some image, a lot of image. Okay, a lot of image about the content, what you want to post, and post by in order or random and save. Okay, we can get it. For example, I have just created some posts or some other type. Okay, like share, like post, like comments. Okay, and we can see a lot of contents here. Okay, and we can what we what we just done is to just to make it easier when you have the next function like posting or comment function or messaging function. Okay, so what about the next function, the account interaction? Oh, wow. For example, okay, we can get account information or change the account language from Vietnam to English as well as log out from all the device. And we can see a lot of the accounts. Yeah, like the setting function. Okay, about the setting function is one of the fantastic, the fantastic function. The general configuration. We can set up one time and to use for forever. Okay, about the configuration when setting, we can setting profile, setting post video, live stream or reels. Yeah, based on what you need to setting. Each account setting. How many you want? How many you want? Okay, let's get it here. 3 or 4. Okay, no duplicate setting. You can stick in that. And we can release the emotion. Choose that. How many you want? How many you want? Okay, okay. Yeah, and kind of like this delay between expressing. 3 seconds for the emotions or comments. How many times you want to comment? Okay, and save script, and then yeah, it will gonna set all what you just set up. Okay, about the sharing function, we have the share post, share some posts. Okay, yeah, share the marketplace, or share the live stream. Yeah, as well as the history. You can see whatever you shared. It also appear in the history shares here. Okay, and you can export the data. Okay, export the data to get all the history share. Okay, about the post function. The post function is just to post, yeah, like its name, to post, to upload a post. Okay, but with the first one, group post, it means you upload some posts to some groups, whatever, what group, what, for example, you can enter the keyword here. Okay, about the general configuration. Okay, I will not mention about it anymore. The content function, you should select the content. The content is what you just have created. Okay, from the content function. I choose here. I just save. Okay, and yeah, you post according to group or to group ID or to group by keyword. Okay, and then enter the keyword whenever you done, whatever you want. Example like real estate. Or some sport. Okay, so the tools will automatically find the shirt to look for a lot of thousands of records, thousands of groups that related to your list of keywords. For example, sports or like cooking. Okay, Oh yeah, and it's the maximum per account, one keyword or two keyword based on you. Okay, and we have also have some stick in the stick box. Okay, yeah, about the personal post, it's still similar to the group, but for the person, okay, for the private profile. Okay, or we can post reel. Okay, reels is also, yeah, we can upload the video here. Select the video, add some hashtags, some hot hashtag. Okay, and save. Post on the marketplace, or yeah, and after all we have the post history. You can see a lot of posts have been done. Okay, that is the post function. What about the comment function? Comments. Okay, yeah, we can comment. For example, we can comment based on what we just created. For example, I have some comments. Okay, and yeah, stick it and save. Okay, and with the content configuration based on what you need. Okay, and you can comment by the profile, to the profile or the group you have just joined, or group ID. If you have the group ID or post ID or rows under the rows, you add all the comments you want to add it. And release some emotion when commenting. Which one do you like, before or after, is based on you. Okay, let's take in that. Okay, that's it. Okay, or we can comment by keyword. Okay, we still select the content what we just have made it. Okay, and yeah, the keyword searching match type, for example. Okay, or we can reply the comments. We can comment, and we can also rewrite the comments by yourself automatically. Okay, to make to make the a conversation between the viewers, between the commenter. Okay, and last but not least, the comment history. Yeah, you can see all of it, and also export later. About the message, you who you want to message to. Yeah, content of the message. Hello, honey. Okay, good night, Yeah, between sending message between the context from you 20 to 40 seconds. And we can add a lot of content message. Okay. Oh, we can select the image as well along with the message. And then we enter profile ID to what account, to whom you want to message. Okay. Yes. And also messaging history. What about other function like add friends? Yeah, like the name. You can add new friends or unfriends or unfollow someone. Okay. Story posting function. Yeah, it's the same with the Rails post. Okay, the Rails posting function. But it's a story. Okay. You also have some configuration to post a story, as well as the story posting history. Yeah. Unlock function. Yeah, is one of the most important things, and it is very vital right now. For example, you comment a lot by one account, and or you post a lot by one account, and your account is locked. Okay, you can use this function to unlock it, because the tool is automatically, and we can use it to unlock the account. With the failure to A2, it's also hard to open, but the tool can still manage. Okay, so the next one is the account care. Let's see the account function. You stick a lot of accounts here to change name. You see, to update avatar, to update column, or change bio, change address. Yeah, everything like the human can do. What about post function? Yeah, still the same. The post function. Account setup. Join a lead group. Oh, it's also an amazing one, right? And the history. Okay. What about the activity log? You see, it is all activity log of each account here. You can see, we just log in, right? And it's logged here. Action, log in, or we just post. Okay, processing. Okay, and last but not least, the live stream features also cool, right? Live stream features. Okay, so that is about the software today I want to share with you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.